Y'all, we got a whole bunch of products. This is gonna be a long one. Hey babes, what's up? It's Lorena. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Lorena, and for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my quarantine essentials. These are items that I have been absolutely loving these last few weeks, and I'm so excited to share them with you because I think they might be very useful in your life. So, there's a whole bunch of them. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. Before I forget, I'm actually wearing this outfit because I posted it on my Instagram, and it's probably been my favorite outfit of this entire quarantine. So there's a reason why I wore it, and I really like it. And I kind of like my hair like this too. I don't know. I get a little bit self-conscious about my forehead, but okay, let's get into this video. So starting off with electronics, and this is something I typically never talk about because like I'm not really that into it, but lately they have been really helping me in my life. And the first one is my AirPods. Now I totally get what you're saying, like almost $200 for a pair of little earbuds is like crazy, and I totally get that because I was on that wagon before. But I used to always have this problem that with my like earbuds with the cord, like they would always get tangled around my neck when I would fall asleep like listening to YouTube videos or whatever, or when I would be walking around the house like doing my chores or running errands out in the world. My phone would always fall and almost like break, and you know when it hits the floor and you're just like having a mini heart attack, like is it broken? Is this it? Am I gonna have to spend like my whole fortune on getting a new phone? These AirPods have completely changed my life. I love that because it doesn't have the cord, or they don't have the cord. I don't have to be struggling with like almost waking up choked or my phone falling, or it just makes life so much easier. Like even when you're putting them away, you don't have to like roll anything up. You kind of just take them out, put them in. Also, I was very scared that with walking around with these, like they would fall out, but I don't know what they're made with or how they stay in, but they do. It's very hard for them to fall out. So that's really great. I typically only charge these maybe twice a week because the battery is amazing on them. And I also love that you can answer calls with just one tap. So that's also amazing. I bought them this little case from Amazon. I don't know if you can really see it. It's kind of dirty now because I used to keep them in my coat pocket all the time when I was in New York. And they got kind of like tinted with the color of my pockets. So maybe once this quarantine is over, I'll get a new little cover, but for now this is fine. And if you have a mom that loves talking on the phone, I know I do, these were a complete like they just changed her life. So if you need an idea for a Mother's Day gift and she doesn't have AirPods, get her some AirPods. She deserves them. Moving on to another electronic that has completely changed my life. It's my MacBook Pro. I bought this baby back last summer, actually, right before I went to NYU. And it has really been an amazing investment. It was quite a bit of money, but it runs so fast. I can keep a whole bunch of programs open on it, like Final Cut Pro, iMovie, and a whole bunch of tabs on my Safari page. And it doesn't crash, it doesn't shut down. I bought a little skin for it because, like, you know, to protect the keyboard and protect my investment. It also comes with that little thingy that's like the emoji keyboard or whatever. I don't even know what it's called. But it's an amazing computer. I love MacBooks. Oh, my hair. I love MacBooks, and if you have a little bit of money to invest in a new laptop, or you really need one for work or for school, this is a great option, and I highly recommend it. Moving on from electronics to makeup, I'm going to talk about my favorite lashes lately. These are the Kiss Lash Couture Faux Mink Collection Jubilee Style Lashes. These are so amazing, fluttery, long, beautiful, like open lashes. They're the ones I'm wearing right now. And this little box comes with 4 pairs. It retails for about $13 to $15 depending on where you buy them, so it's kind of expensive, but at the same time, like, you compare them to like one pair of Lily lashes, and this is really a great bargain. I love the band. It's so nice and flexible and stretchy, and one pair of these lashes you can use for maybe up to like 14 times. I always put my mascara on first and then apply the lashes, so that way they don't get dirty and they stay fluttery and big. And then every single time I reuse them, I also like clean them with some sort of antibacterial soap or gel. And what else? And I'll remove the glue if it's building up on the lashes. But other than that, they're really amazing lashes, and you guys should definitely give them a try. So my second makeup essential is also kind of like a skincare essential, and this is the green tea and eucalyptus facial mist. It helps to reduce redness and inflammation on the skin when you spritz a few spritzes before you do your makeup. So like if you're having a breakout and it's kind of red, or your skin is just like not looking its best, just spray a little bit and it really helps to bring your skin back to life, calm redness, and then you just let that set. And then after you're done with your makeup, just also do a few more spritzes and it'll help to set the makeup so it doesn't look cakey or powdery, and then it also kind of helps to give you a glow. I love this. It also smells amazing, floral and citrusy. I love that scent, and this is definitely it. Whatever products I mentioned, I will try to have them linked down below in the description box if I find them or something similar. Moving on to hair care, I have one product and it's absolutely life-changing. This is the Malibu Curl Partner Wellness Hair Remedy. It's 100% vegan and it's 100% amazing. It's like a little powder thing that you mix with water when you're in the shower, kind of run it through your hair, let it set for about 5 minutes. When you get out and you dry your hair, your curls will be brought back to life. This is especially helpful if you have like dry, dull, damaged curls, or they're kind of just like not doing what they're supposed to do anymore. This will bring them back to life and better than ever. This brand also makes a whole bunch of products for different like hair textures or like hair needs, so definitely look them up. Malibu. These little packets are about $3.50 each, and since you only use one per week, I think it's a really great option for like taking care of your hair, especially right now that we kind of have a little bit more time. So definitely give these a try. They are amazing, like life-changing. My curls have never been better. Moving on to skincare, where I'm gonna start out with this. And if you saw my quarantine haul, you saw that I mentioned this. I was very excited about it, and of course I have not been let down. This is the FIRMOO Anti-Stress Dead Sea Minerals Clay Mask. It's for all skin types and you leave it on for about 10 minutes. So this really helps to instantly clear your pores and renew your skin so it looks glowing and beautiful and like clean. It's this beautiful green color, like what you expect a face mask should look like. You know what I mean? But again, I love that you just leave it on for a few minutes and it really works wonders. This retails for about $3 to $4, which I think is amazing for how much product you get, and you just have to try it. It will change your skin. This is an amazing serum that I only use 2 to 3 times per week because it's very intense. It's basically an acid that helps exfoliate the dead skin, like on the surface of the dead skin cells on the surface of your skin that exfoliators typically can't get. You'll wake up with beautiful, glowing, like smooth skin, and it'll be hydrated too because of everything that this little serum does. I got this in my Boxycharm last year and I still have a whole bunch of products because one little pump goes a long way, and I definitely recommend this, especially if you have fine lines, wrinkles, aging skin, or acne scars. This will help give you the beautiful skin you deserve. So it's a little expensive, but it's definitely worth the investment. Moving on to eye cream. This is the GlamFox Eye Cream with retinol and collagen, which I love because retinol helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and collagen helps to plump up your skin and make sure it's moisturized. So of course it does all of that. I also love that it comes with a whole bunch of products. Typically under eye creams are like tiny, like they're very greedy with the product, but not this one. And this is made in Korea, and you guys know I love Korean skincare because they really know what they're doing. This just does everything I think an under eye cream should do. Firming, moisturizing, and revitalizing. We all love that. And I have definitely noticed a big change with my under eyes after using this. And I also love that the product is very nice and smooth. It's not very hard to make sure it's dispersed and even under the eyes, and it only takes a little bit. So I'm sure this is going to last me a long time, but I think I'm going to want to repurchase this once I'm done with this one. So definitely make sure you give this one a try. Another one of my essentials has also been a nighttime skincare product, and this is the Derma E Vitamin C Intense Night Cream. This is a very thick cream, but a little bit goes a long way. It's also very smooth, so you can easily disperse it around your face. And as you can see, I've already been using this for almost like 3 weeks, and I still have a whole bunch of product. So again, a little bit goes a long way. I love that this really helps to seal in my serums and under eye creams after I've applied them. Kind of like forms a barrier. And it also almost feels like some of those masks that you leave on throughout the night because it's very moisturizing. This is really great for like any age because it's never too early to start, you know, preventing wrinkles and fine lines and all of that good stuff. And of course, vitamin C also helps to diminish scars. So the last item in my skincare essentials category is this rose quartz roller. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but I actually was using it the other day and I dropped it in my sink and the little handle cracked in two, and I was about to throw it away until I realized these things are at least 20 bucks. I'm not about to spend $20 right now because I'm trying to be budget savvy, and also like I can't go out and purchase one. I would have to wait for it to come in the mail and stuff. So I was like, no, I'm taking this into my own hands. I'm taping it back together, and I did, and I feel like it came out pretty good. I felt like a little Michelangelo putting my sculpture back together. But I really like to finish off my nighttime skincare routine by just like giving myself a little massage with my roller. I really feel like it helps to not only calm my skin and make me feel pampered and amazing, but it also helps the products really seep into the skin and really work their magic. I feel like these rollers really help with circulation, and of course if the blood is flowing like really well in your skin, that's gonna help to keep your skin looking youthful. Make sure that you always clean your roller every single night before I put it on my face. I clean it with some sort of like alcohol or antibacterial solution, just to make sure that I'm not putting bacteria back on my clean face. So just make sure you stay aware. But you can find these at a really good price on Amazon for usually under $10. You can buy the rose quartz ones. They also have jade ones, but obviously it's personal preference, and I'll have a few linked down below. So this last category is very miscellaneous because I didn't know what else to call it, but it's a whole bunch of essentials as well. And I'm going to start by sharing with you guys these Papermate Flare pens. These are amazing because they're a marker style, but they don't bleed through paper. And I also feel like they don't put as much of a strain on your hand when you're writing for long periods of time. And I feel like I'm very prone to that. Like then my hand hurts and I'm just like, I can't keep writing. But these are just so amazing, so smooth on paper. And I love that they sell them in different colors because that makes you more likely to take good notes and also be excited about reading them. So if you're working from home or doing school from home, definitely pick yourself some of these while you're taking notes. You just have to try them out. They're such good pens. Another thing I've been loving is this HydroFlask water bottle. Now, you don't have to go out and buy yourself a HydroFlask because I feel like they're way too overpriced. But definitely get yourself a cute water bottle so you can make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day, that you don't get dehydrated. And of course, if you have a cute water bottle, you're more likely to drink more water. So I just love this one because it keeps my water nice and cold, and it's just so easy to carry around the house. So definitely get yourself a cute water bottle. Oh, there they are. So the last item in my essentials is the Twinings of London Earl Grey Black Tea. I just brought one little bag, but I have a whole box full of like, I don't know, 300 packs or something in the kitchen. And these teas are amazing. I slowly incorporated them into my nighttime routine. So right before bed, I would drink a whole big cup of tea with honey, and it would just make me feel so cozy and ready for bed. But then I started craving it throughout the day. So between classes, I would run to the kitchen, boil some water, make my tea, add the honey, run back. And not only does this tea keep me like focused and feeling cozy and ready, but like it just makes your day feel so much better. And it even says right here on the back, brighten up your day with the distinctive taste and aroma of this classic tea. So it's a black tea, but it also kind of tastes like floral and citrusy, which you guys may know by the end of this video that I love. And I just think these are perfect to try. Tea is just amazing. I'm not too much of a coffee girl unless I'm at home or I see a Starbucks, but if I'm making myself my own drinks, you definitely know I'm gonna be making some tea. So definitely give this Earl Grey tea a try. It's amazing. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found some products that you thought were interesting and might give a try, since, you know, we have a little bit of extra time. And I feel like it's always fun to try something new and incorporate it into your routine and just make it better, you know? Why not? If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below. Let me know what products you love or you would like for me to try, as well as any video ideas you might have. I'm dedicated to bringing you guys content every Sunday, so stay tuned for that. And if you want to see more content from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And of course, also hit the notifications bell so you can be notified every time I upload straight to your device. That's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.